Okay, so now I'm massaging the turkey. I have to make it feel very welcome before we eat this thing. And I have to say, this is the first turkey I've ever prepared that actually still had feathers in it when Amy brought it back from the butcher. Not only that, as I was washing the whole cavity there was actually dirt still in it. And there was actually dirt still on the head area where the little thing probably fell on the ground and was like struggling without its head on it. Which is a little disturbing, but hopefully it cooks up just like any other turkey. I don't know. It doesn't have a whole lot of fat on it. This is probably a free-range turkey. Everything here is very natural and healthy.
Those are the legs over there?
Oh yeah, these are the legs that came off. Look at that tail. That's a healthy tail. Most tail has a lot of fat on it. This is like meat. Definitely going in the gravy pot.
Very nice.
This is my very special turkey concoction of
It smells delicious.
it has rubbed sage, olive oil, fresh rosemary, fresh garlic. And I rub the turkey with this all over. I really get a good, healthy massaging of it. I try to get some up underneath the skin too, but this is a really healthy turkey, so there's not a whole lot of skin baggage. And then I put some actual, like, a whole sprigs of rosemary, this stuff right here, and I shove it up all in there. So it gives a nice aromatic flavor to the turkey. It'll be really good, I hope.
It will be very good.
This is where we had, you know, dirt.
Oh my gosh. Nice picture.
That is not very pretty. Disgusting. Oh yeah.
Alright.
That's alright. Oh, and after I'm done with all this, I'm going to sprinkle a nice healthy dosing of coarse ground sea salt all over it. That really helps to lock in the moisture of the bird. I know people say that salt dries it out. It really doesn't though. It locks the moisture in, so it'll be a really nice, healthy bird.
Okay. Signing off for now. Catch you on round 2.